The Amazon is a colossal mystery, and it's one of the subjects that I explore in depth in America Before.
In the heart of the Amazon forest lie secrets that defy explanation. From ancient legends to bizarre creatures, this vast wilderness is a realm where the supernatural and the unsettling intertwine. Join us as we unravel 14 of the most chilling and enigmatic mysteries hidden within this primal forest. Number 14, the lost city of Z. Just the mention of it sparks intrigue and curiosity. This ancient mystery has been shrouded in secrecy for centuries, and British explorer Percy Fawcett's obsession with finding it has led to countless investigations and theories. Fawcett was a seasoned explorer and cartographer who became fixated on uncovering the truth about the lost city, which he dubbed Zed. He spent years studying maps, legends, and indigenous accounts, convinced that it held secrets of a long-lost civilization. In 1925, Fawcett embarked on his final expedition, accompanied by his son Jack and friend Raleigh Rymel, to find the elusive city. Can you imagine venturing into the dense Amazon jungle, facing treacherous terrain, diseases, and hostile tribes? Fawcett and his team did just that, driven by his unwavering conviction that the lost city was within reach, but they vanished, leaving behind only cryptic clues and unanswered questions. Speculations surrounding their vanishing are numerous. Were they killed by indigenous tribes? Did they die from disease or injury? Or did they reach the lost city and chose to stay? Despite numerous searches and investigations, the jungle seemed to swallow all evidence, leaving us with more questions than answers. The Lost City of Z has inspired many captivating books, films, and expeditions. It's a testament to human curiosity and the allure of the unknown. Fawcett's story reminds us of the sacrifices made in pursuit of discovery and the enduring power of mystery. In recent years, new evidence and research, including decoded diary entries and newly discovered maps, have shed light on Fawcett's journey. While these revelations bring us closer to understanding Fawcett's fate, the lost city of Z remains an enigma, a testament to the Amazon's unforgiving power and the human spirit's unrelenting quest for adventure and discovery. Number 13, the Amazon's creepy giant spiders. The Amazon rainforest is home to some of the most fascinating and intimidating arachnids on the planet. The region's unique ecosystem supports an incredible array of spider species, including some truly massive and awe-inspiring ones. Meet the Goliath bird eater, the largest spider in the world by mass. These gentle giants can reach a body length of up to 11 inches and weigh up to 6 ounces. Their leg span can reach an impressive 28 inches, making them a sight to behold. Despite their fearsome appearance, Goliath bird eaters are quite docile and feed on frogs, lizards, and small birds. Other notable mentions include the giant huntsman spider, known for their speed and impressive leg span. These spiders can move at incredible velocities, making them some of the fastest arachnids on the planet. The Brazilian salmon pink bird eater is another colorful and formidable spider, recognized by its vibrant pink and black stripes. And then there's the Venezuelan sun tiger, a striking spider with vibrant orange and black stripes that seem to shimmer in the sunlight. While these spiders may appear creepy due to their size and unusual appearance, most are harmless to humans and play a vital role in the Amazon ecosystem. They help control insect populations, serving as both predators and prey in the delicate balance of the rainforest. By keeping insect numbers in check, these spiders help maintain the health and diversity of the forest, making them a crucial part of the ecosystem. In addition to their ecological importance, these spiders also have some fascinating adaptations that enable them to thrive in the Amazon environment. For example, some species have developed impressive web-spinning abilities, creating complex networks of silk threads to snare prey. Others have evolved remarkable camouflage strategies, blending seamlessly into their surroundings to avoid predators. Remember, these incredible arachnids are an integral part of the Amazon's biodiversity and deserve our respect and admiration. Number 12, the chilling encounters with the mapinguari. Have you heard of the mapinguari? This mysterious ape-like creature is said to roam the Amazon rainforest, leaving a trail of fear and fascination in its wake. The stories about these elusive beings are chilling, to say the least. Imagine encountering a creature that stands upright, around 6 to 10 feet tall, with a strong, unpleasant odor that'll make your stomach turn. And if that's not enough, the mapinguari is said to have a gaze that can freeze you in fear. No wonder indigenous communities have shared tales of this creature for generations. They describe it as a powerful, solitary being that roams the forest with a haunting scream, striking fear into the hearts of all who hear it. Some people claim to have seen the mapinguari, describing it as a creature unlike any other. They say it has a strange, hypnotic power that can immobilize its prey, making it an apex predator in the Amazon. While there's no concrete evidence to prove its existence, the sheer number of reported encounters has left many wondering if there's truth to the legend. So, what is the mapinguari? A misidentified animal, a previously undiscovered primate, or something even more extraordinary? The truth remains a mystery, but one thing's for sure. The mapinguari's legend has become an integral part of Amazonian folklore, symbolizing the mysterious and often frightening aspects of the rainforest. Many experts believe that the mapinguari could be a real creature, perhaps a previously undiscovered primate that has adapted to the harsh conditions of the Amazon. Others think it might be a mythical creature, born from the fears and superstitions of indigenous communities. Whatever the truth may be, mapinguari's legend continues to captivate our imagination, inspiring further exploration and research into the unknown depths of the Amazon. What do you think? Do you believe the mapinguari is out there waiting to be discovered? Or is it just a legend born from the depths of the Amazon? The mystery remains, but one thing's for sure: the mapinguari's legend will continue to haunt our imagination for years to come. Number 11. The creepy glow of the Amazonian fireflies. Deep within the Amazon forest, a chilling spectacle unfolds. Millions of fireflies light up the darkness, their ethereal glow casting an eerie spell that seems to draw you in with an otherworldly force. The air is heavy with unsettling energy, as if the trees themselves are watching you with cold, calculating eyes. The fireflies' lights flicker like tiny lanterns, beckoning you deeper into the forest with a hypnotic power that's impossible to resist. But with each step, the shadows seem to twist and writhe around you, like living darkness that's closing in on you from all sides. The scent of damp earth and decaying leaves fills your nostrils, a morbid perfume that clings to your skin like a bad omen. The sounds of the forest are muffled, as if the trees are absorbing all the noise, leaving only an oppressive silence that's punctuated by the soft hum of the fireflies. Their haunting melody seems to pulse with a malevolent life of its own, like a dark heartbeat that's counting down the seconds until something terrible happens. As you walk, the fireflies' lights dance around you, casting an otherworldly glow on the trees that makes them seem like skeletal fingers reaching out to snatch you. You feel like you're trapped in a nightmare, with no escape from the creeping darkness that's closing in on you from all sides. Fireflies seem to be herding you towards some unknown fate, their lights leading you deeper into the heart of the forest with a sinister purpose. Time stands still in this eerie world, where the only reality is the creeping sense of dread that's building up inside you. The fireflies' glow is a cold, mirthless laughter, mocking your every step and leading you further into the depths of madness. You're just a pawn in their twisted game, a game where the only prize is terror, and the only rule is survival. Number 10. The legend of the Chulachaki. In the Amazon's uncharted territories, a legendary creature is said to roam, striking fear into the hearts of all who hear its name: the Chulachaqui. This malevolent being is described as a small, mischievous spirit with a penchant for evil deeds, delighting in the suffering of others. According to local lore, the Chulachaqui delights in playing tricks on unsuspecting travelers, leading them astray with its cunning and guile. Some say it can mimic the voices of loved ones, luring victims deeper into the forest with eerie whispers that seem to come from all directions. Others claim it can summon the spirits of the dead, using their ghostly forms to torment the living. The Chulachaqui's powers are said to be vast and terrifying. It can control the forest itself, summoning vines to ensnare its prey, or conjuring illusions to confuse and disorient. It can create eerie, glowing lights to lead travelers deeper into the forest, or summon the sounds of wild beasts to strike fear into their hearts. Those who cross its path are said to be forever changed, haunted by the memory of its twisted grin. Some say the Chulachaqui can curse its victims, causing them to become lost in the forest forever, or driving them mad with fear. But beware, for the Chulachaqui is said to be a shapeshifter, able to take on many forms to suit its sinister purposes. It may appear as a harmless child, a seductive beauty, or even a trusted friend. Its true form remains a mystery, known only to those who have faced its wrath. The legend of the Chulachaqui serves as a cautionary tale, warning of the dangers that lurk in the heart of the Amazon. It reminds us that some secrets are better left unexplored, and that the forest is full of mysteries that are best left unsolved. Will you dare to venture into its domain? Or will you heed the warnings of this ancient and terrifying legend? Number 9. The mysterious and deadly poison dart frogs. In the Amazon's dense undergrowth, there's a tiny but mighty creature that's both fascinating and feared. Say hello to the poison dart frog. These little guys are no bigger than a thumb, but they pack a big punch. Their bright, jewel-toned colors are like a warning sign that says, "Stay away, I'm toxic." And it's not just a fashion statement, they are poisonous. Indigenous tribes have used their venom to tip their hunting darts for centuries. The frog's toxic secretions are powerful enough to bring down prey much larger than themselves, making them a valuable asset for hunters. But beware, their venom is no trivial matter. It can be deadly to humans, causing cardiac arrest, muscle paralysis, and respiratory failure. Despite their fearsome reputation, poison dart frogs are also creatures of mesmerizing beauty. With species like the golden poison dart frog and the blue and yellow poison dart frog, they're like tiny toxic jewels. Their bright colors act as a warning to potential predators and also attract frog enthusiasts. Scientists are still learning more about these enigmatic creatures, studying their unique adaptations, social behaviors, and habitats. Did you know that some poison dart frogs are expert jumpers, able to leap over 20 times their body length in a single bound? Or that they have a complex communication system that involves vocalizations and visual displays? As researchers continue to uncover the secrets of the poison dart frog, they're also working to protect these incredible creatures and their habitats. The Amazon rainforest is facing numerous threats, from deforestation to climate change, and the poison dart frog is just one of many species at risk. So next time you're trekking through the jungle, keep an eye out for these tiny but mighty frogs. Just remember to respect their boundaries. They may be small, but they pack a big punch. Number 8. The vanishing of the Amazon's Rio das Mortes. The Rio das Mortes, or River of Death, is a real river in Brazil, shrouded in mystery and legend. Its reputation for being cursed and deadly has been passed down through generations, striking fear into the hearts of many. But is there truth behind the tales, or has the river's legend been exaggerated over time? The Rio das Mortes flows through the states of Mato Grosso and Goiás in western Brazil, a region known for its dense rainforest and diverse wildlife. The river's history is marked by encounters between early explorers, settlers, and indigenous tribes, some of which were hostile towards outsiders. The river's ominous name is likely derived from the high mortality rate of those who attempted to navigate its treacherous waters and surrounding terrain. Many stories have been told about the Rio das Mortes, from supernatural entities and curses to deadly creatures and unexplained occurrences. Some claim to have seen ghostly apparitions or heard eerie whispers along the riverbanks, while others speak of strange creatures lurking in the depths. However, there's no conclusive evidence to support these claims, and most can be attributed to folklore and superstition. Despite the legends, the Rio das Mortes remains a vital waterway for the region's ecosystem. Its waters support a diverse array of aquatic life, and the surrounding rainforest is home to countless species of plants and animals. However, the river's future is uncertain and threatened by human activities, such as deforestation, damming, and pollution. Regarding the river's disappearance, there's no scientific evidence to suggest that it has vanished entirely. While its course and flow may have changed over time due to natural geological processes or human activities, the Rio das Mortes still flows through the Amazon rainforest. Its legend, however, continues to captivate and intrigue, inspiring many to explore its mysteries. In conclusion, the Rio das Mortes is a river shrouded in mystery and legend. Its reputation for being cursed and deadly was likely exaggerated over time. While its history is marked by encounters and conflicts, there's no conclusive evidence to support supernatural claims. As the river continues to flow through the Amazon rainforest, its legend remains a testament to the power of storytelling and the allure of the unknown. Number 7. The mysterious lights of the Amazon. In the Amazon's primeval forest, a phenomenon has long fascinated locals and scientists alike. The mysterious lights of the Amazon. These mysterious illuminations, often described as glowing orbs or ethereal flashes, have been observed in various regions of the Amazon basin, sparking intense curiosity and debate. Some attribute the lights to natural causes, such as bioluminescent fungi, glowing insects, or even unusual atmospheric conditions. Others believe they might be evidence of unknown or supernatural entities, drawing parallels with folklore tales of mystical beings and ancestral spirits. The lights have been described as mesmerizing and hypnotic, leaving witnesses with a sense of wonder and awe. While the origins of the lights remain unclear, theories abound. Bioluminescent organisms, such as certain fungi, bacteria, or insects, could be responsible for the glowing effects. Atmospheric phenomena, like unusual cloud formations, electromagnetic discharges, or temperature fluctuations, might also create the lights. Some speculate that the lights could be related to clandestine human activities, such as illegal mining or logging. Many believe the lights are evidence of spiritual or extraterrestrial presence, sparking intense interest and speculation. Despite numerous investigations and scientific studies, the true nature of the mysterious lights of the Amazon remains a mystery, leaving room for speculation and awe-inspired wonder. Researchers have attempted to capture evidence of the lights using cameras and sensors, but the phenomenon remains elusive and unpredictable. The mysterious lights of the Amazon have become a source of fascination for many, inspiring stories, legends, and myths. Some believe that the lights hold secrets of the forest, while others see them as a reminder of the unknown and the unexplained. As scientists continue to explore and study the phenomenon, the allure of the mysterious lights remains strong, captivating the imagination of all who hear about them. In the depths of the Amazon rainforest, the mysterious lights continue to shine, a beacon of wonder and intrigue, inviting us to explore the unknown and the unexplained. Will you unravel the secrets behind this enigmatic phenomenon, or will the Amazon's mystical lights forever remain a source of fascination and awe? Number 6. The enigmatic giant trees of the Amazon. The giant trees of the Amazon rainforest are nothing short of spectacular. Think of a towering forest where some trees stretch more than 200 feet high, their canopies creating a lush green ceiling high above. These colossal giants, like the towering kapok trees and the imposing Brazil nuts, are more than just impressive. They're ancient guardians of one of the world's most vibrant ecosystems. These massive trees do more than just reach for the sky. They contribute to the Amazon's dense, almost otherworldly atmosphere. The sheer scale and density of these trees mean the forest floor is often shrouded in a perpetual twilight, a shadowy realm where sunlight struggles to penetrate. This can create a somewhat haunting ambiance, as the dim light filtering through the dense canopy casts eerie patterns and long shadows that play tricks on the eyes. Walking through this kind of environment, you might feel a sense of being enveloped by something ancient and mysterious. The trees themselves seem almost alive, with their gnarled roots twisting and turning, creating natural pathways that can feel both inviting and unsettling. Their size and the way they dominate the landscape give the impression that they've stood watch for centuries, perhaps even millennia, quietly witnessing the evolution of the forest. Adding to the eerie atmosphere are the sounds of the rainforest, unusual calls from unseen creatures, the rustling of leaves, and the distant roar of waterfalls. The sheer size and grandeur of these trees contribute to a sense of grandeur that's both awe-inspiring and a little unnerving. It's as if the forest is holding its breath, waiting for some ancient secret to be revealed. The combination of their size and the atmosphere they created made locals and early discoverers believe these forests were haunted. To this day, it is no surprise when tourists are too scared to continue their expedition within the Amazon. In essence, the giant trees of the Amazon aren't just natural wonders, they're integral to the forest's mystique. Their immense presence and the dense, shadowy spaces they create weave together to form an environment that is as fascinating as it is enigmatic. Number 5. The elusive pink river dolphin. The pink dolphins of the Amazon are fascinating creatures, shrouded in a sense of mystery. Imagine a dolphin that's not just gray, but a vibrant pink. These dolphins are found in the murky waters of the Amazon and Orinoco river systems, where their unusual color stands out against the dense green jungle. What makes them even more intriguing is their habitat. The Amazon rainforest is a labyrinth of rivers, flooded forests, and swamps, creating a challenging environment for any creature. These dolphins have adapted remarkably well to this environment, using their highly flexible bodies to navigate through tangled underwater vegetation and shallow waters where other dolphins might struggle. Their pink coloration isn't just for show. It's a result of blood vessels close to the surface of their skin. As they age or get excited, their color can change from a soft pink to a deeper hue, adding a dynamic layer to their appearance. Their color also varies with the amount of sunlight and their surroundings, contributing to their ethereal and sometimes ghostly appearance. These dolphins are solitary and elusive, often found alone or in small groups, which adds to their mystique. Unlike their ocean-dwelling relatives, they don't leap and play in the open sea. Instead, they glide silently through the dark waters, their movements almost imperceptible. This solitary nature and their ability to blend into their environment only heighten their mysterious charm. In Amazonian folklore, pink dolphins are often regarded with a blend of reverence and superstition. Stories abound about them transforming into handsome men to seduce women or even abduct people, adding layers of mythical intrigue to their real-world mystique. Number 4. The unsettling calls of Amazonian birds. Picture yourself deep in the Amazon, surrounded by towering trees and the thick, humid air, when suddenly, an eerie call pierces the silence, rendering you stiff with fear as you try to work out what creature is about to hunt you for sport. While this might be an imaginary scenario for you, this is the reality for people who have been in the Amazon forest. The birds of the Amazon have some of the most haunting calls ever known to man. One of the most unsettling is the call of the potu, a bird that's as elusive as its haunting call. Imagine a sound that resembles a mournful wail or a ghostly moan, echoing through the night. The potu's call is a chilling and almost ghostly sound that masks its presence from predators while delivering a shiver to bystanders. It's so hauntingly beautiful that many believe it's the sound of the forest itself, mourning or communicating from beyond. Then there's the screaming pia, aptly named for its scream-like call that can be heard reverberating through the jungle. It's a sharp, piercing cry that sounds almost human in its desperation, sending shivers down the spine of anyone who hears it. The pia's call is so distinct and unsettling that it can leave a lingering sense of dread long after it fades away. Not to be outdone, the harpy eagle, with its powerful, piercing calls, adds to the forest's eerie symphony. Its calls can be described as a series of screeches and whistles that cut through the dense canopy like an alarm, adding a layer of tension and urgency to the forest's atmosphere. These unsettling calls aren't just for show. They serve as a means of communication and territorial claims among the avian inhabitants. In the dense Amazon, where visibility is often limited, sound becomes a crucial tool for survival and interaction. Number 3. The Amazon's rare and bizarre creatures. At this point, we believe we have established that the Amazon is littered with bizarre animals with distinct features such as pink dolphins, giant spiders, and poison frogs. But these are more Amazonian creatures that look like they came out of a fantasy novel. Let us take a look at other odd-looking creatures of the Amazon. One of such bizarre creatures is the electric eel. This eel can generate powerful electric shocks to stun its prey or defend itself. It's a truly remarkable creature, capable of delivering a jolt that can knock a human unconscious. Then there's the glass frog. This amphibian is named for its translucent skin on the underside, which reveals its internal organs and skeleton. At first glance, you might think it's a mere trick of the light, but it's very real and adds a supernatural touch to the Amazonian ecology. But if you're looking for something truly bizarre, look no further than the vampire bat. These tiny creatures are known for their blood-sucking habits, but they also play an important role in the ecosystem. They help to control insect populations and pollinate plants. And don't forget the Bolivian red howler monkey. With its deep, rumbling calls that can be heard miles away, this monkey adds a haunting quality to the rainforest. Its red fur and booming calls make it a striking and slightly eerie inhabitant of the jungle. In the Amazon, every corner hides a new wonder, each creature more bizarre and rare than the last. It's a world where the extraordinary is the norm, and the bizarre is just another part of the forest's captivating allure. Number 2. The Amazon's extinct giant ground sloth fossils. Imagine a creature as large as a school bus lumbering through the dense Amazon rainforest, That's the kind of creature that once roamed these lands, a creature known as the giant ground sloth. These colossal creatures roamed South America, roughly between 2.5 million and 10,000 years ago. Their fossils have been discovered in several parts of the continent, including the Amazon basin. Now extinct, they were some of the biggest land animals to ever walk the earth. They had long, powerful claws that they used to dig up roots and tear down trees. Their thick fur helped to protect them from predators and the elements. Unlike the smaller sloths we see today, these giants were terrestrial, meaning they walked on all fours and had large, sturdy limbs to support their bulk. Their claws were formidable, likely used for digging up roots and possibly for defense. They had a herbivorous diet, munching on vegetation and possibly branches, though they didn't have the same kind of high-speed agility as modern animals. Unfortunately, the giant ground sloths eventually went extinct. Scientists are still trying to figure out exactly why, but it's thought that a combination of factors, including climate change and human hunting, contributed to their demise. Studying these ancient giants helps scientists understand not only the past environments, but also how species adapt to changing conditions. The Amazon's giant ground sloth fossils are more than just remnants of a bygone era. They're a window into the rich tapestry of life that once thrived in South America. Number 1. The life-sustaining Amazon River. A video about the Amazon would not be complete without talking about that famous Amazon River. If you do not know, the Amazon River is the world's largest river by volume. It is a natural wonder that is as mysterious as it is vast. Winding its way through the heart of South America, it's a lifeline for countless species and a source of fascination for explorers and scientists alike. Beyond its sheer size, the Amazon is a river of paradoxes. It's both a highway of life, teeming with biodiversity, and a force of nature, capable of immense destruction. The river's waters can rise and fall dramatically, flooding vast areas of the rainforest during the rainy season and revealing hidden islands during the dry season. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Amazon is its hidden depths. Beneath the surface lies a complex network of underwater channels and tributaries. These hidden waterways are home to a diverse array of aquatic life, including piranhas, caimans, and the elusive pink river dolphin. But the Amazon is more than just a river. It's a cultural and spiritual symbol for the indigenous peoples who have lived along its banks for millennia. Their stories and traditions are intertwined with the river, and they continue to hold a deep connection to its waters. As the climate changes and human activities continue to impact the Amazon, the future of this majestic river is uncertain. It's a reminder that even the most powerful forces of nature can be vulnerable to the forces of destruction. Thank you for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.